Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 2 divide 2 is equal to 48 divided by 3. So now 48 divided by 3 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P E M D A S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis. Second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication and division. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this part. So 48 divide 3, sorry, now according to KCF rule, KCF, K means keep this first fraction as it is same, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction 3 by 2 is equal to 2 upon 3 multiply 2. Now 48 divided by 3 is equal to 16. Okay, so now the expression becomes 16 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So first we have to solve this part, okay? So 16 multiplied 2 is equal to 32 multiply 2. Now 32 multiplied 2 is equal to 64. Okay? So the correct answer is 64. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.